Hi, my name is Melanie and I'm an economics student here at Cal State Fullerton, and I'm here to show you one of my favorite features when using MindTap. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. So I already opened up one of the interactive textbooks, and I'm going to go ahead and show you my favorite tool, which is the highlighting tool. So all you have to do is just highlight one of the definitions in the interactive textbook, and then you have the option to either just highlight the text, add a note, or add it as a flashcard. So I'm going to go ahead and just click Add Flashcard. And now it's directed me to the flashcard page, where all I have to do is just type in economics, the key term, and then click Save. So it already saved the definition that I highlighted for me. And then once I do that, I have my flashcard. And this saves me a lot of time when I'm studying because I get to do it as I read the textbook. So I'm just going to go ahead and click X here, and it takes me back to the textbook. And then now I can just highlight this again as a normal text, or I can highlight it again and add it as a note. And once I do that, all I do is type in the simple definition, society, and then I can go ahead and click Save. Then once you do that, it pops up in the top of the chapter. And that is my favorite tool when using MindTap, and I hope it helps you throughout your semester or quarter. Bye!